Hello YouTubers, this is Brian coming at you with another video of Minecraft episode 8. I have updated to Minecraft beta 1.9 pre-release 5. And here's what I've been working on. Oops, I'm back up. The mob grinder building. Let me go down, I'll show you from bedrock. Here is bedrock, and I left 2 open spaces so the mobs can just drop down and die here, and I can just get the resources. But I think on this level they don't die from this level, because I think they hurt a little bit. That's about it. I might take this floor out. We'll see. And all these chests is for each mobs, with the exception of spiders and skeletons. They both got 2 items now. No, spiders has 2 items. The only ones I haven't seen is the Enderman. Let me go back up. And there you go. Each floor is the same way it is. I just left 2 spaces right there. And I've been waiting for the next. I was gonna wait for the full release, but I said, hey, what the heck, I'm gonna go with this. And I went with the Stronghold stone bricks for building. Yep. And glass panes. Yep, there you go. Apparently it does only does half. I don't know why. So I'm using the regular glass for it. Doors on each side, trapdoor over here, cause I'm sure it was here. Just like it's basically just a smaller tiny cave, at least outside. Made 2 doors as the backside exit, I think. Oh yeah, I might make this the front now. This is the cactus and sugar farm, which is not going on. I don't know why. I think it's because I'm in creative mode. We'll see how it goes. Anyways, this is gonna be the main building right here. I don't know how big I want it though. We'll we'll see how it goes. The next floor will be for the animals. I don't know if I might cut it in half and make some other stuff. The third floor, if I make the second floor all animals, I'll make the third floor wheat, pumpkins, and melons. Fourth floor will be the trees and mushrooms. Masalim. And those animals that I was just talking about, I put them in a trap right now. They're sitting ducks right now. And here they are. Just gotta look for wolves and mushrooms. No, mushrooms. There we go. So that's what I've been working on for a couple of weeks now. I'll get back to you when I'm done with both of these buildings. And possibly once I close this up, then I'll probably make another update. I mean, make another video. Alright, see you guys later.